Welcome back to the Expert Drive. Today we've got something special for you. Volvo's latest powerhouse, the 2025 XC90. In this video, we're diving deep into the new design, performance, and safety features that make this SUV a head-turner. So let's get rolling. Volvo has always been synonymous with sophisticated design, and the 2025 XC90 is no exception. Just look at that aggressive front fascia with Volvo's iconic Thor's hammer LED headlights. Sharp, bold, and unmistakably Scandinavian. This chrome-accented grille adds to the XC90's luxury appeal, while the redesigned bumper ensures this SUV has the perfect balance of sportiness and elegance. From the side, you can see the XC90's sleek profile, long, aerodynamic, and purposefully designed for both function and beauty. Whether you're cruising through the city or taking it on a long road trip, the XC90 looks fantastic from every angle. And let's not forget about these stunning 21-inch alloy wheels. Not only do they add a touch of class, but they're also engineered for high performance, ensuring maximum grip and stability no matter the terrain. Under the hood, Volvo offers a range of powertrains, from the eco-friendly plug-in hybrid to the robust T8 twin engine. With up to 455 horsepower, the XC90 delivers performance that'll leave you excited every time you hit the throttle. Whether you're in city traffic or exploring off the beaten path, the XC90's adaptive air suspension adjusts in real time, offering a smooth, comfortable ride. Volvo takes safety to another level in 2025. The XC90 is packed with advanced safety features, including Volvo's latest pilot assist technology, which offers semi-autonomous driving assistance. It's perfect for long drives and stop-and-go traffic. Plus, with its 360-degree camera system and state-of-the-art collision avoidance technology, the XC90 ensures you and your passengers are always protected. Now, moving to the rear, the XC90's bold vertical taillights wrap around the sides, giving it a distinctive and modern look. It's the perfect combination of form and function. And when it comes to space, the XC90 delivers. Whether it's luggage, sports gear, or just the family's weekend haul, this SUV offers all the cargo room you'll ever need. So what do you think of the 2025 Volvo XC90? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and first-look features on all the latest vehicles. This is The Expert Drive, and we'll see you on the road.